Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. In this analysis, we're going to be taking a look at gold. If you just joined us for the first time, I would appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe so you can get updated with our future analysis. And also, drop a comment below, share me your thoughts. I'd like to know what you think about the market. And lastly, this is a continuation chat from our previous chat analysis. So if you haven't seen that, please check out our previous analysis on our profile. And now let's get the chat. So looking at gold, we saw a short-term correction after following last week bullish run. We can see the short-term correction since Sunday evening and or Monday morning rather, and up to today on Tuesday. And I think this sell-off is gonna. I'm not. I wouldn't say certain, but I'm very optimistic that we won't see like very low prices, on gold. We should expect to see the market start correcting back very soon, and. For now, if you're having a bearish bias, I don't think so. I don't think it's a good idea to find sell position, even when there's this is a typical sell setup, right? So, but I don't think it's gonna hold or it's gonna last for long. So I don't want to get caught up in any short term positions. I rather wait for a bullish confirmation, a bullish trade setup before I take any entry. So right now, I still haven't taken any entry on gold. I haven't have any position open. My last position is already closed, and currently waiting for a clear confirmation for a bullish breakout. So looking at the chart, we can see gold is currently at the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, and it's currently holding up really, really good. Here we have it over here. We currently see market holding up really good, and despite the fact that this might look like a typical bearish setup on the 1 hour time frame, I'll show you guys that. It's very tempting to to want to take a sell position. When you see it's sort of like an ABC corrective wave like this. You want to like really catch up with the market. Now this is possible. We could see market really deep down to 50% Fibonacci level on the 1 hour time frame, but on the longer term look, it's may not be worth taking that trade. It may not be worth taking that trade. So, guys, if you are on a sell, I advise you trade very careful. Though for real, we do have a sell setup and a sell bias, but I don't think this short position will last for long. And this may just be from 26.25 to possibly lows of maybe 25.80. That's like the range, but I won't be taking this sell setup. I would be waiting for a bullish breakout. We could also see something like this happen, where we have a breakout above 26.40. That would be a confirmation a a return of our trend. It clearly would mean that this was more or less like just a fake out or a play of the market, or call it a bearish trap. So guys, I'm not trading on the 1 hour time frame. I rarely do. But this is just for those of you who be taking short positions. Be very careful with the short positions and get out quickly. And also on the H4 time frame, yeah, it still looks similar after that, but we see the 38.2% Fibonacci, those are 7 as our current support, holding very strong. And I believe it's going to keep holding stronger. So we can also see this thing on our H4. I'll show you guys something. If you look this, we take a trend, we can see that currently, market is currently around this level. We're currently playing around this level, and we could see price really, like test. I'm expecting there's a possibility that we could see price test, like drop down, test this level, but we should expect a rejection and we should see price correction. So this is the only possibility for where I said if we get any bearish sentiment or any sell setup, it won't last for long. It's going to be a very short term trade and it's going to be just for scalping. If you're not a scalper, you're not an intraday trader, there's no point in looking at this because it's more or less like noise in the market. And when we go further out to the daily chart, it gets much clearer. You see, right here on our daily chart, we can clearly see that there is a doji formation on the daily, and I think likely this is going to hold. And if this hold and closes as a doji today, it clearly means there's full marketing decision, and that means that we could see price start returning back to trend tomorrow. And I'm still waiting because today we had the economic release for the home sales, and it was really bad for the US dollar. And I'll show you guys quickly. Today's 25th, and it's today 25th or 26th? 26th. Yeah. So we saw that, yeah, exactly. We saw that. We saw the report was really, really lower than forecast. That was very bad for the US economy. But we didn't see the effect on the market. We didn't see price react to this news. So I'm thinking, the reason why is because tomorrow we're expecting heavy news updates for tomorrow. We get to see the core consumer price index. So this is like a big deal, and I'm watching out for this market. I think we're gonna see also a poor report. I'm pessimistic about that, and also the GDP growth. I'm still thinking we're gonna get very very low results. So market is still waiting, and I think definitely tomorrow we should see very heavy movement. We have really really heavy updates coming up tomorrow. The GDP growth, personal income, and also the price index. So tomorrow we should see gold have a clear direction, and I clearly believe that's the reason why we're seeing this Doji formation, because market is very indecisive. People traders are like literally waiting and anticipating to see what's going to happen next. And like I said, I'm still long term bullish. I haven't changed my stance. I'm still long term bullish, so I'm not taking any trade. I'm waiting as well as most of the traders to see what's going to happen next with the market. And on the H4 time frame, we see this. If we get a good break above 26.45, that's a good entry. That's a good confirmation that we're returning back to trend. If we don't see that, then we just keep waiting to see what will happen with the market. All right, guys. Cheers and have a great day. Happy trading. Trade smart and not hard. I'll see you guys next. Well, whatever. I'll see you guys next.